Yield farming is a phrase that's used to describe pretty much any method of depositing your funds in exchange for a consistent return. Yield farming is an incredibly hot topic in crypto right now. One of the most common and popular methods of yield farming today is by providing liquidity to liquidity pools. Liquidity pools are the reserves that power decentralized exchanges, allowing customers to swap between different cryptocurrencies. To yield farm using a liquidity pool, you must first contribute a pair of tokens into the pool. In exchange, you receive LP tokens, which track your contribution of the pool and how much of the pool is your share. This process makes you a liquidity provider. When a customer walks up to a decentralized exchange and says,
"I'd like to exchange some of my Bitcoin for Ethereum,"
the decentralized exchange then deposits the user's Bitcoin into the Bitcoin Ethereum liquidity pool and gives the user Ethereum back from the pool. The pool maintains the same value and the user is able to exchange their tokens. For this service, the liquidity pool charges a small fee. A portion of those fees go to rewarding the liquidity pool providers. Some liquidity pools require stablecoins, pegged to fiat currencies such as the dollar. Other pools contain pairs of volatile tokens, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. Some require the user to pair a volatile token with a stablecoin. This is a popular method of yield farming because as long as the user leaves their funds inside of the liquidity pool, they will continue to earn rewards on those funds. Because rewards from fees are automatically added back into the pool after each transaction, those rewards also automatically compound. There are services to compound additional rewards for liquidity providers as well. And unlike nodes or other investment vehicles in cryptocurrency, liquidity pools are just what they sound like. They're liquid, meaning that as an LP provider, at any time you can exchange your tokens to receive your funds plus any fees you've earned. So let's recap. The customer uses the exchange to swap between the two tokens in the liquidity pool, and the exchange charges a small fee. Those fees are split between liquidity pool providers. Of course, there are some risks involved. The main risk is the risk of depreciation. This occurs when the value of the token in the pool goes down in the overall market. In that case, even though you're accruing trading fees and other rewards, they may not be enough to make up for the falling value of those assets in dollar terms. Even though you're promised some fees and rewards for providing liquidity, it's important to choose carefully and invest wisely in which tokens you choose to provide liquidity for. For more videos, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to discuss any of your favorite strategies with me on Twitter, you can get in touch with me at Felix_MKAY.